Good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu. We are in Odaiba today, checking out the Gundam. The Gundam's under maintenance. So, Gundam's under maintenance and I'm kind of bummed about it. But we are walking around checking out some of the sights and the scenes. And I swear if this is blocked off, I'm gonna lose my mind. But I think we can go that way maybe? We want to walk down and see like the bay, and there's this crazy shot of the Rainbow Bridge that I want to show you guys. I think we can walk through here. Yeah, I think we can go through here. But so Odaiba is this kind of like man-made area with a bunch of malls, some really cool like areas just to kind of sightsee. The Gundam's here, and just some other stuff too. But we're gonna spend some time here and probably have lunch here, and then I think we're gonna go to maybe Shinjuku. I know Shibuya is tonight, so oh yeah, we can walk through there. But yeah, so I'll show you guys the view here in a second. But yeah, this is gorgeous. I love this area. It's one of my favorite areas in Tokyo, or at least one of the areas that I've been before. So we're gonna go to show you guys the view here in a second. So we are in Odaiba, and this view here is absolutely amazing. So there is the Rainbow Bridge. There's a super awesome Statue of Liberty. You know, just because in Tokyo, Statue of Liberty. And this view is absolutely gorgeous. And it's just as amazing as I remember. Now this view is honestly better at night. Like the view here at night is actually like crazy awesome with all the lights, and then the Rainbow Bridge lit up all rainbow-y. Yeah, anyways, like just in general, this is one of my favorite places in all of Tokyo. Just look at this, guys. Look at this freaking view, dude. Absolutely mind-boggling. All right, guys, so this view is unbelievable, and you guys will see it, but like, absolutely crazy view. I love it here. The Rainbow Bridge right here, and at night this thing is all lit up, and it just looks unbelievable. And then down here, past this tree right here, like down the way, there's Odaiba Beach, which is like a man-made beach. But this whole area is just so cool. You know, and then I don't know if you guys know, but those are Japanese ducks. And they say quacko gozaimasu. That's how they quack in Japanese. I don't know, I'm just making that shit up, guys. But look at this, one of my favorite spots in all of Tokyo. So beautiful here. So cool. Alright guys, so we are at a conveyor belt sushi, and they do like a bullet train that sends you all your food. So like when it comes here, I'll show you guys, but the food is just like let's see. So like we got some normal stuff. Everyone has to try takoyaki if you've never had it, octopus balls. So very, very cool. We're excited. All right, first bit is here.
Which one's is which?
Just grab them and we'll
because there
figure
was
it out.
too fatty and not fatty.
All right.
Sorry.
All right, ready?
So this looks less fatty.
Yeah, these ones are fatty.
You guys got the less fatty ones, right?
All right, guys. Here we go.
Ooh, let me have a little dish there.
Ooh. Which one?
A little soy sauce.
Oh yeah, a little soy sauce. Yeah, I want one too, actually.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, is everyone gonna have some?
Yep. Oh shit. Oh, son of a bitch.
Yeah, you done fucked it up.
I did. I fucked it up. I'm getting this all on camera too. This is great. Can I have some of that as well? Thank you.
Kind of like to drown my sushi.
Yeah, I'm kind of the same way. You probably ought to try the first one without drowning it, but.
Okay.
Can I have one of those little containers when you got a second too, please?
Are you ready? Ready? Here we go.
Thank you.
Oh, itadakimasu. That means let's enjoy.
Am I confused? Oh, it's a button. Yes, I was confused.
That's good. Wow. Needs a little soy sauce though.
Oh, here, give me your little sake cups and I'll fill them up. Yeah,
Thank you.
I can't reach Ryan, so.
Where's your sauce?
So good. Okay. So, if you guys don't know, these are takoyaki. Nobody here's tried takoyaki, have you?
Oh, I have.
Oh yeah, that's right. You haven't.
Nope.
You haven't.
Nope.
I'm 1% scared.
All right, let's do
go
it.
for it.
Now, here we go.
Let's cheers.
So you have to say itadakimasu.
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 Oh.
Ah, I got it. No.
Oh, it's so hot.
Yeah,
It's like 1,000 degrees.
Real good.
Oh, it's so hot.
Is it good? So good, right?
Much better than in America. Those were good.
That's so good. So
Wow.
those
Wow.
are amazing. I'll show you guys this place. So this is in Odaiba. It's in Diver City Mall. It's on the 6th floor. And this place is one of my favorite places to eat. I've eaten here, actually this is like my 4th time. Because the last time I was here, we ate here like 3 times. No shit. Like, I love this place so much. But
What is that soy sauce at?
got some shrimp tempura.
I'm ready for round 2.
All right, I'll order some more. Becky, what's
up?
what?
I definitely didn't drink all of this
Oh my
and
god,
eat
the
all that.
tower
I
of
was like,
plates.
Becky, that's a lot of plates for one person.
tower
Tell
of
us.
shame.
Just tell us.
I
Wow.
was hungry. I'm
Wow.
a growing boy. I needed that.
How's that, Jeff? Oh,
Yum.
good.
Oh man.
You better save
Uh,
those.
Oh,
That's the garlic sauce.
So nice.
Well, look, there's the
Here's
I
rolls.
our-
missed it every time.
Alright guys, so we are at Asakusa Temple, or Sensoji Temple. I drew a bad fortune, and our trip started bad, so I'm getting rid of our bad luck right now, okay? This is going over.
Oh, there's a Dalmatian one, black and white.
I'm determined to break my leg today.
Alright guys, so we are starting today, after all those time lapses that you just saw, out at Hakone. We drove the car all the way up to Hakone Shrine and we're going to check that out. The drive was amazing. Such a very, very peaceful, beautiful drive. But the entrance to the shrine is over here. So I'm excited. Should be some fun. Should be cool. Very, very cool. Let's ask Jeff how the drive was. Jeff, how was it driving up the mountain road?
It was fun. It was good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was steep. Holy shit.
Yeah, you almost stalled it a couple times. But so, Hakone Shrine is here, and then I think we have to walk that way and down to get to the Torii Gate that's in the water.
Oh, that's cool.
So we'll go that way, check that out in a little bit. But yeah, it was a pretty interesting drive. I was...
Some more interesting gas fill up.
Yeah, the gas fill up was weird. That's the first time we filled up with gas here, and it was like really, really awkward. Thank God I have Google Translate to say full tank premium. But yeah, the Evo made it. She was a little testy. She's a little testy getting up here, but she made it. I will say that the Evo drives smooth, but I don't think it's the I don't think it's a very super prime example of an Evo. So, but it got us here, and that's all that matters. So let's go check out the shrine.
Spiderweb.
Oh, there's a giant spider in it.
That is a very large spider in that, actually.
I think that thing eats birds.
I think fucking thing eats people, dude. What are you talking about? Oh my god.
Wonder how good
Thing
of a
is-
picture I can get of him.
I think it's ginormous.
Scratchy scratch.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna pass on that.